Hey guys, welcome to Master Programming, MFC programming series. In the previous video, we have discussed how to register a class using AFX register wind class and parameters for C frame wind create. In this video, let's talk about what message Windows send when a new window is created and what functions C framewind create calls internally to create a new window. So let's get started. I have written the code already. Just to start discuss with, whenever a new frame window is created or whenever a window is created, a window can be anything. It can be the main window or it can be the child windows like buttons, list box, edit box, whatever may be. All are it's a kind of windows is created. Windows will send wm underscore create message, or Windows will trigger the message wm underscore create. In MFC, wm underscore create is mapped with this message on underscore wm underscore create. As of now, no need to bother much about what is this declare message map, begin message map, and end message map. So we can see this in more detail in upcoming video series. But I can tell you like this declare message map, begin message map, and end message map in MFC, through which uh, the messages are handled, or how messages in MFC is processed is through these macros. So what I have done is I have declared one string variable and have written inside constructor in the constructor of the C framewind derived class, and there's a function called pre-create window. Inside that I have written inside pre-create window, and this string variable is appended with inside on create in the function on create. Okay. So as said before, whenever a new frame window is created, or MFC will trigger this message wm underscore create, and it is mapped with on underscore wm underscore create in MFC. Okay. To display the text in the client area, so we have returned the function on paint, and the appropriate message handler for on paint is on underscore wm underscore paint. So whenever we want to draw something in the client area of the window, then we need to override this on paint function. So we can talk all these in great detail in upcoming video series. So what function this create calls internally to create a frame window? We can see that now. So here inside the constructor of my derived class, I am calling create. Create will internally call this function pre-create window, and then it will call on create function. So this is the calling sequence to create a new window in MFC. So whenever I write create will call internally pre create window, and after that it will call on create function. And for this on create, on wm underscore create is the message. So this is the message. On wm underscore create is the message, and on create is the message handler. So to display the text in the client area of the window, I have written this on paint. So we can execute the program and see what happens. So I'm building the solution. My build is succeeded and I'm running the program. So here first it displays inside constructor, inside pre-create window, and inside on create. So this is how the execution flow happens in MFC. So what else we can do with this pre-create window, right? So this pre-create window will be called before a window is created. So if you want to modify any style for a window, all we can do inside this pre-create window. So this pre-create window will take a parameter which is of type create struct. If you just type cs dot, then you can see the parameters of this structure create struct. So here we have cx cy, which is nothing but x and y coordinates. DWEX style is nothing but extended style for Windows. Instance of an window. If I want to load a menu, then H menu. If my window is having some parent window, it is H. What is the parent window? We can specify it here. And class name and style. So we can see all these things in great detail in coming video series. And for now, in create, the third parameter is the style of the window, right? So here I have specified as ws underscore overlapped window. If I run the application, if you see, my window is having minimize button, maximize button, and close button. And there's some icon in the top left corner. And my window is resizable. My borders are resizable, either vertically or horizontally. Now, I don't want to have this minimize and maximize button, and my window border should not be resizable like this. I want to have a fixed size window. How to do this is like we can do this, we can mention this style in two places. So WS underscore overlapped window is the default value for this style. Though you mention this or you don't mention this, there won't be any impact. By default, the style will be ws underscore overlapped window. If I build the solution and run the solution, see I have minimize, maximize, and close button. Meanwhile, I'm able to, the window border is resizable. Now, I want, I don't want to have minimize and maximize buttons, and my window border, I don't want to have any window border. My window should be fixed. I don't want to have the resizable window. Then what I can do is I can mention this tail here, either in create, while creating the window, I'm building the solution. If you see here, there is no minimize and maximize button, and I have only close button, and my window border is fixed. I'm not able to resize the window, right? See that arrow, mouse pointer arrow is not getting changed. It is fixed. So if I don't specify any value in create, since ws underscore overlapped window is the default parameter for this tail, so specifying it create is an optional. If I don't specify any value here, I will see all these things: minimize, maximize, and my border is resizable. The same value I can specify it in pre-create window as well. So create struct is a struct which will take all the values. So cs dot, if you see like x and y coordinates, external style, instance, menu, and you have one parameter called style. So there you can mention all these values. So here I have specified the same uh, value here, ws underscore overlapped and sys menu. Now I am building the solution and debug running it. So there is no minimize and maximize button or resizable border. To conclude here is style for a window can be specified while creating the window inside create function, or it can be specified in pre-create window function, because create will internally call this function before displaying the window, and after that it will call on create. So that's all about how uh, a window is created in MFC and it's calling sequence in MFC. Hey guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please write it in comment section. And thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.